Hi, my name is Ashley Blake, and this is my first project since I had my baby. And I picked this up for $50, and um, it's painted gray. As you can see, it's missing that pole right there, so I'm gonna have to do something different with these four drawers, and then I'm gonna try to leave the rest of the hardware as it is. I think that I'm gonna use some knobs that I already have. I have regular knobs, and then I have like glass knobs that I can do. We're just gonna have to see what works. I think I'm gonna do a darker top with a white bottom and then black hardware or silver hardware if I have to use the glass knobs. So I'm going to put it on a time lapse and paint it and see how it goes. Yeah, I will probably be filling in holes with this dresser because I think those are just too close together probably to just put the knobs in how it is. So I think I'm gonna take all the hardware off and paint it first and then decide what I want to do, because when you spray paint hardware it usually dries really fast. Just kind of get a feel for how I like the dresser first and then choose the hardware. So thanks for watching. Bye.